Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can switch accounts fast in Google Apps. So, let's say you have multiple accounts on your Google Apps, and what you would usually do is that you can click on the profile picture on the top right corner of the screen and just click on the other profiles down here, and then you'll be able to switch to it. There's actually one thing that you can do that makes it really fast, just a tip. That is just by swiping up or down on the profile pictures above here. As you can see, it does really work, and it's much more convenient and much faster than just clicking on it and then choosing an account that you want to use afterwards. And not only does it work on like Gmail, but it also works in other apps such as Google Drive as well. As you can see here, you can switch between Google Drives just through this, but make sure that you have these multiple accounts logged into the apps, or like on your Google, on your phone, on your device, because there's no reason to be switching accounts if there's just one account on your Google in your device, right? Yeah, this is a tip I really hope to share with you all, because I just found it out recently as well. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.